Yo, bro, who got you smiling like that? Like,
kill the lights, so baby, close your eyes. The way you're looking at me, you got me mesmerized. Something I can't escape, feel like I'm lost in space. You got that good loving.
I got 3 looks, and that's it. Yeah.
Could I interest you in everything, all of the time? A little bit of everything, all of the time. Well, well, look who's inside again. CEO, entrepreneur, born in 1960.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple of my eye. And I love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right here.
Yeah!
yo, bro, who got you smiling like that? Like,
kill the lights, so baby, close your eyes. The way you're looking at me, you got me mesmerized. Something I can't escape, feel like I'm lost in space. You got that good loving.
Everything you're doing is making me want to slap the living shit out of you right now. But I'm more mature, more than I've been normally, so I'll shake your hand and then I'll bite you down.
Hey, 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 chicken the corn on the corn can.
Say I love you. Say you.
Me.
No, you.
Me.
No, you.
Me.
What in the hell kind of contraption is this? Hold on, let me just... Oh. Whoa, what the hell is that? Just a little shit. I bop you. And I bop you again. You know, I can't seem to figure you... Wait, oh, got me in the whiskers, screw you. You son of a bitch. Huh, get over here. You said... Oh, shit. I'm... You know what? I'm sorry, Mr. Are you... Get over...
That's right.
Alright, John, nice and easy. Just put the cord in my paw. Just... Damn it. John, just... Okay, back out. Alright, one more. Just... Give me the cord. Ah, got it.
Fuck you, my child is completely fine.